Hey guys, it's your girl, Lilcutenurse, Raquel. What's going on, y'all? I want to come in here and bring y'all this new hair. This new hair that I am loving. I am loving this hair. I'm gonna rock this hair tomorrow in a ponytail. It just feels so light and natural, and I'm loving her. Oh, and I did use this Huda Beauty palette today. Yes, and I used that matte. What was it? Matte foundation by LA Girl. LA Girl, the new matte foundation. I use that. I'm going to pick up the CoverGirl now. Also, this Huda Beauty palette. I don't know what the hate is on this palette, but y'all, I love this palette. It worked great for me. I'm assuming if I had bought the last palette and it was trash, and they came out with another one just like it, and it was awesome, I'll probably be hating on this palette too, but I didn't buy it, so I ain't mad. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I could have been in that bunch somehow. I don't know if I was in school, if I was doing something or on assignment that I missed the first one and I didn't get it. Thank you. God is good. But this second one, I really like it. I'm just saying. But anyway, if y'all want to see this review on this beautiful hair, y'all, this hair is so beautiful. And I'm not even sweating. It feels good. It feels good. Oh, wow. I didn't even notice that. This is Melanin Queen. It's by Melanin Queen. Tiger Eye Brazilian frontal lace. It's got a 13x4 top parting space, which means you can part her anywhere. That messy bun looks so cute. I'm so tempted to try that tomorrow, just to see if I can pull it off and keep this hair off my neck. Maybe I'll do it on my mannequin tonight. I'm talking too much, y'all. I just want to run my mouth to somebody. But anyway, this is a unit. Let me get my photo ready. If y'all want to see the specs, the ins and outs, the downs and bouts about this unit, just keep on watching. I'm gonna go get dressed. I'll be back to do a haul later on. Y'all don't be mad about a 2 for 2. I gotta work, okay? All right, talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, guys, this is what the unit looks like in the package. This is a Brazilian. It's Melanin Queen Brazilian lace front. It says, I don't know what the tiger eye means, but I don't know. It just says tiger eye 13x4. 13x4. That's a pretty wide parting area. It's MLF09 Ripple Wave 20. Yeah. Okay. Supposed to be able to put it up. Not that I will, but if I can, you know, I might play with it a little bit. Let's see what she looks like. Who is she by? Oh, Melanin Queen. Okay, duh. Alright. I never heard of Melanin Queen. www.mainconcepthair.com. Okay, so I guess they just all in the same family. Human hairstyle mix. Okay, I guess this is a mixture of human hair and synthetic. We'll see. We'll see. I didn't even notice that. I was just looking at the style and I really was digging it. So, you know, I went ahead and ordered her. Ooh, I hope she's not ooh, she's pretty long in there. I was gonna say I hope she's not too long. Cause y'all know me and this heat, we just don't be getting along. Look at all the stuffing out. Y'all actually ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wigs. I ordered 7 wigs. Oh, synthetic. I try not to order too many human hair because I just don't take care of them. They last me maybe a month, and then they need washing, so I just throw them in a really after 2 to 2 weeks of wearing them 3 days a week, they be needing washing. But I don't. I just throw them in the box that they came in and put them in the box, that wig closet graveyard I got in my in my beauty room that I am gonna clean out. Okay, this is what she looks like. She's real light. Smell funny, like chemicals or new. She got newness. Oh, that is a lot of parting. Look at her and look at the top. That's a lot of parting space. Okay, and it's that real thin lace. She's real light. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna like her. Let me let's see what's on the inside here. We got 2 combs way back here in the back, and we got one at the tail, and we have the 2 adjustable straps. I like her already, and I didn't even put her on. And then it's just that netting. Instead of the track, it's the netting. And all this hair here has been ventilated, like, you know. Okay. Alrighty. Let me get the lace cut off, y'all, and I'll be right back, and we gonna see what she working with, what she looking like. It's raining, y'all. That's why I don't know if y'all seen it, but I'm getting dark, I'm getting light. The sun went in, it started raining, and I was getting ready to go pick up some stuff. And thanks, guys, too, for everybody that's, you know, those let me know that the Bath and Body Works sale was going on. I ended up getting a big box that I have over here from the sale, the pre-sale, and I got 20% off the sale items. But I haven't, my phone always rings, chirps, or something when I'm doing a video. Sorry, guys. But anyway, let me turn that volume off. Anyway, the box is down here, but I haven't did my semi-annual sale haul yet because I want to go in store and get some soaps. I didn't get any soaps. I just got a bunch of candles online. I don't know why I didn't with the extra 20% off. And then too, I wanted to go in store because I got some good deals last year when I went in store. Okay, let me get back to the topic. Let me go cut the lace off this unit, y'all, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I don't know if I said it, but it's the really soft lace. Well, I guess I did say that, huh? Because it's all this is netting. It's like it had to be done like a regular human hair lace wig because it's all ventilated. So yeah, you can pretty much part her up there anywhere you want to. So I can kind of get the idea of how she can be put up in a ponytail. You can pretty much rock her how she is. Don't go tell on me. I did not comb my hair today. It's just nappy. Y'all know it's. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Put on me a cap. I probably should put on a lighter cap. Or put some powder or something on this cap. Just so we can see what this parting looking like. This wig feels so light. I get a feeling she gonna look really natural. You know what? I think I'm gonna come back, y'all, today. Once I come back from the stores, when this rain slows down, I'm going to get my nails done, get me a pedicure. Get ready for work tomorrow. You know, you gotta get relaxed out to go get stressed out. That's all I'm saying. And I got a bunch of stuff over here that I've ordered that I really want to share with you guys. And it's been sitting over here for a minute. I mean, like, let's just say, for one, I got in on a Kat Von D collection when it first came out. So y'all already know how long I've been holding on to that. And that's a shame. So I really want to share with you guys so I can go ahead and use it. And honestly, I did. Ooh. Did y'all see that? Okay, let me quit. Let me quit. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold on. I know what I want to do. Let me take this off one more time. I'm going to get this powder and put some of this powder on the lace. Because if y'all notice, the lace is a little light for my skin tone. So I'm just going to go on the inside. I'm just using some of my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. I just want to darken that lace up some so that, you know, match my skin tone. But I'm liking this. I had to get off because I didn't want to start cheesing. Oh, wow. Okay. I wish I knew how much she was or if she got any sisters. I just saw her and was like, yes, honey, yes. Okay. Ooh. Okay, that's a lot better. Oh, she is really natural looking. I'm not even worried about her in the heat because this hair is so light. And look at that parting. I see why it had the messy bun. Oh, wow. Look at that. I hadn't even put anything in it. Okay. I'm in love with a stripper. Oh, let me quit acting a fool. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Look at this hair. I don't even have a comb. It's alright. I'm going to use this brush. Look at her. Oh wow. This is nice. Oh, I like her. See, I was going to complain about the length. Oh, she is super light. wonder how, I need a comb. I need a comb. How far down can I part her? I'm gonna try to come about right here. Since I'm just using my fingers. Oh yeah, this is really natural looking, y'all. And you know we can part her anywhere. Look over here. This is where I always put my parts, which is why I went to the other side. But yes, hunty, yes, let me put some mousse in her. I always gotta grab some product. This is just some wrap lotion, B&B wrap lotion. This is a pretty good mix. I don't remember how much she was. I will put a link down here, y'all. But I'm liking this hair. Loving this hair even. I can wear her down today and ponytail her tomorrow. Oh, I should have turned around and let y'all see in the back before I put some stuff in her. But I got excited. I got excited. This is some really light, airy hair. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back while I'm playing. Ooh. And she seems super long, but she's not really that long. She stops about right here. I still got on my gown, y'all. Don't be playing. But I'm gonna put on some clothes and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do that haul. So, yeah, I like her. Ooh, I like her. I would definitely be sure to put the specs in. This here, her here, y'all. Okay. I was so on the fence on giving my first wig one chance, since I really do like Hair Vivid, and I've already went through 2 units with them. I still have them. Still have them. I'm just so wiggy. I don't think I should be buying human hair units because I don't like to wear them that long. So, in my mind, I'm just wasting money. Y'all hear them ambulances? That's crazy. It's really storming out there. I'm finna put some of this Urban Decay all nighter on my face because it's raining. It's gonna be waterproof, so I'm finna test it out. I'll let y'all know. I don't know when y'all gonna see how I look when I come back to do that haul on this stuff I've been buying. I need to put something in this part. I just want to see how it's gonna look. Is it gonna make it, you know, hide some of those knots? Oh, I like this hair. Oh, I like this hair. This was a lucky take a chance purchase because I'd never seen these units or heard of them. But I saw it and I wanted it. Oh, I like it. And what I like about it the most for work, I can just do it like this. You know? Make me a ponytail and keep rocking it. It ain't got to be in my way. Look at that part. Okay, guys. I'm finna go put on some clothes. Come back and make this intro so y'all can see this little vavoom. And I haven't really done nothing with her. So those of you who really play with wigs and do stuff and work with your hair, y'all gonna love this hair. This, I'm telling y'all, this is a must-have. I wish I could remember the price, but like I said, I always order like 5 or 6 at one time, and this was a new. I always click new so you guys can see the, you know, the new hair, not the old cheap stuff that we know ain't no good. You know, once it go on sale, we know it's sitting there because nobody wanted to buy it. And I learned that from buying them all, and they all were no good. So I got some good units coming up, y'all. But I like this so much. I don't know when I'm going to put it down. And I'm going through my wig graveyard and separating that stuff. This hair feels so good. So good. Oh, my. Wow. Okay, y'all. Okay, I'm finna get off of here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed until the next video. And y'all pray for me out here in this rain. I hope it stopped, and I hope this is not another hurricane, because I know this is their hurricane season, and I just can't be caught up in it. I like had a heart attack last year. All right, see you guys in a minute in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Bye.